The Creality Ender 3 Max Neo is a large-format FDM 3D printer built for users who want bigger printing space, improved stability, and beginner-friendly automation. Combining CR Touch, auto-leveling, dual Z-axis support, and a Full-Metal Extruder, this upgraded Ender series printer is designed to deliver reliable and accurate prints for hobbyists, creators, and professionals alike. One of the most impressive features of the Ender 3 Max Neo is its large print volume of 300 by 300 by 320 millimeters, which equals 11.8 by 11.8 by 12.6 inches. This spacious build area allows users to print large models in a single piece or multiple smaller objects at the same time. It is ideal for cosplay parts, prototypes, architectural models, and functional components that require extra space. The printer includes Creality's CR Touch auto leveling system, which automatically measures and adjusts the bed leveling across multiple points on the heat bed. This smart leveling feature helps beginners avoid manual calibration problems and greatly improves first layer adhesion and overall printing accuracy. Another major upgrade is the dual Z-axis system with synchronized dual motors and timing belts. This design improves movement stability along the vertical axis, reducing wobbling and layer shifting during tall prints. The result is smoother surfaces, more precise details, and better consistency when printing larger objects. The Ender 3 Max Neo is equipped with a durable full-metal extruder that provides stronger filament grip and smoother feeding compared to plastic extruders. This helps reduce slipping and extrusion issues while supporting popular materials like PLA, PETG, ABS, and wood filament. The upgraded extruder also improves long-term durability for heavy printing use. To create a quieter working environment, Creality added a 32-bit silent motherboard that significantly reduces operational noise. The printer operates at around 50 dB, making it suitable for home offices, bedrooms, classrooms, and indoor workshops where lower noise levels are important. Convenience features such as the filament runout sensor and resume printing function help prevent failed prints and wasted materials. If the filament runs out or power is interrupted, the printer can continue from where it stopped once the issue is resolved. These features are especially useful during long printing sessions. The printer also includes a 4.3-inch color knob screen with a simple and easy-to-use interface. Combined with its mostly pre-assembled structure, users can complete setup in a short time and begin printing quickly, making it very beginner-friendly despite its larger size. Overall, the Creality Ender 3 Max Neo is an excellent large-format 3D printer that balances printing size, stability, quiet operation, and smart automation features. Its CR touch leveling, dual Z-axis design, and reliable metal extruder make it a strong choice for users who need bigger and more dependable 3D printing performance.